Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni. Today I'm going to talk about how to create a scheduled page. Scheduled content type offers a complete solution for post scheduling in Bludit. It helps users to organize the content by defining the schedule in advance. In short, scheduled pages will not be published until a time and date set by users. How to make one? Okay, let's go. Log into your admin panel. Click New Content. Enter title. And then click Images. Browse. Baked potato. Open. Click Insert. And then click it. Right-click on it. Click Image. And then enter the size. Save. And then click Align Center button. Press Enter 2 times. Insert the text. Press Enter. Insert page break. Press Enter. And then enter the rest of the text. Highlight ingredient. Heading 3. Bold. Italic. How to. Also heading 3. Bold. Italic. And then click Options tab. Choose Recipes. Click Advanced. Click inside the date box. Choose a coming date. And then in the text box, enter potato, rosemary, sprigs, and then click Save. Now you can see you have scheduled page created. Click on it, click Edit, click Preview button. You can still see this page without publishing. Okay, let's take a break now. In the next video, I will talk about how to create a draft. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment to support our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.